As a content creator starting out, we tend to purchase budget gear, which is not a bad thing because I also did the same thing. And with that being said, you can get great results from using budget gear. But every so often, I try to upgrade the gear that I use to produce these videos that you guys watch, just like this one. And I know all the other creators are telling you guys to focus on honing your skills while using the budget gear you currently have, and honestly, they are right to some extent. But sometimes the budget gear limits your ability to create better content because they lack the ability to assist you in creating better quality content. That is why in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing a piece of gear that I think will level up the quality of my content. And what's up guys, it's Ryan here with Homeoftech, and today I'm gonna be unboxing and reviewing the DJI RS3 camera gimbal. So smash that subscribe button and turn on post notification, as I have a lot more intuitive videos in the pipeline that I'm sure you guys wouldn't want to miss. So quick disclaimer, I did purchase this gimbal with my own money, so I will be giving my honest opinion after thoroughly using this product. DJI is a well-known company and I have really high expectations of this gimbal. And this is my first professional gimbal, and as always, I will review it based on my honest thoughts and opinion. So in order to efficiently review this gimbal, I am going to put it through its paces by personally testing as many features as I can. And what better way to do that than taking it with me on my road trip to Florida this weekend. But let's unbox the gimbal and check out all its features. I picked up the basic RS3 kit, and I must say the packaging was premium, as it includes the gimbal, the BG21 grip, the extended tripod grip, quick release plate, lens fastener support, multi-camera control cable, USB-C charger, and a screw kit. And this is just for the kit that I bought. There's also the RS3 Pro, which I would assume is for cinema cameras. But I just picked up the basic kit because I really think that is all that I need. I also picked up a Ulanzi inverted handle grip, which is perfect to use with this gimbal. The gimbal was pretty easy to assemble and balance, and I also was able to get it done before we started our road trip to Florida. It's very important to take the time to balance the gimbal properly for optimal performance. So fully assembled, the gimbal has a weight of 1.3 kilos and support a payload of 3 kilos or 6.6 pounds. The gimbal has a unique feature which is called the automated access lock. This automatically locks and unlocks the 3 axes of the gimbal with the simple press and hold of the power button. This significantly improves your ability to go from fully powered off to being ready to shoot in seconds, which I think personally saves a lot of time, allowing you to be more efficient during shoots. The camera that I'll be using with the RS3 gimbal is the Sony ZV-E10 paired with the Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens. The stabilization is really good, as it allowed me to get really good shots, especially with the addition of the Ulanzi inverted holding handle, which is perfect for using the gimbal in undersling mode. As you can see, I was able to get smooth footage of the scooter I'm reviewing with no issues. For ease of use, I would recommend connecting the gimbal to your camera via Bluetooth, which makes camera control very easy. I would also recommend connecting and updating the firmware of the RS3, which is easy and only take minutes. After connecting the camera to the gimbal via Bluetooth, the camera will pair automatically every time you turn it on and the gimbal, saving you time when shooting. The RS3 has a 1.8 OLED touchscreen, which allows you to access most of its features very quickly. This interface is intuitive and easy to use, so beginners won't have any problem. Another great feature of the RS3 gimbal is the battery life. DJI stated that the RS3 gives a 12-hour maximum battery life, but I was able to use the gimbal on and off for 4 days and still have 40% battery life left, which I think is amazing. I was also able to fast charge the battery with a supported 18-watt PD fast charger in less than 1 hour because it already had 50% charge on it. The gimbal is a little bit heavy, which might bother some people, but you can fix that by simply hitting the gym more often. The RS3 has a lot of features such as time-lapse and auto tracking, which I think will come in handy. You can also use the dial at the back of the gimbal to control pan, tilt, roll of the gimbal. You can also pull focus or zoom with this dial as well. The auto tracking feature works with an additional module called the RavenEye image transmission system, so I wasn't able to test it. However, I will purchase it and do a review on how it works with this gimbal. So realistically, you might be wondering, who is this gimbal for? Well, I think if you're planning on taking your content creation seriously, it's a worthwhile investment, one that I don't think you will regret. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I think it's the perfect gimbal to grow into as you develop as a content creator. So guys, that's it for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.